how to be emotionally intelligent. Today, I want to talk about something that has a profound impact on our relationships, careers, and overall well-being: emotional intelligence. We often hear about intelligence in terms of IQ, but emotional intelligence, or EQ, is just as important, if not more, when it comes to achieving success and happiness in life. So, what is emotional intelligence? Simply put, it's the ability to understand, manage, and regulate our emotions while recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. Developing emotional intelligence can help us build stronger relationships, make better decisions, and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Now, how can we become more emotionally intelligent? Let me share with you 5 key strategies that can help us strengthen our emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. The foundation of emotional intelligence is self-awareness. This means understanding our emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. Take time to reflect on your emotions, why you feel a certain way, and how your emotions affect your thoughts and behavior. A great way to develop self-awareness is through journaling or simply asking yourself questions like, why did I react that way? What emotions am I feeling right now? 2. Self-regulation. Once we understand our emotions, the next step is learning how to manage them. Emotional intelligence does not mean suppressing emotions, but controlling them in a healthy and constructive way. Practice deep breathing, mindfulness, or taking a pause before responding in emotionally charged situations. When we regulate our emotions, we prevent impulsive decisions and communicate more effectively. 3. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting ourselves in someone else's shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. When we become more empathetic, we build deeper connections and improve our relationships. You can cultivate empathy by actively listening, asking open-ended questions, and showing genuine interest in others' experiences. 4. Social skills. Your ability to interact with others effectively is another key aspect of emotional intelligence. This includes good communication, conflict resolution, and the ability to work well in teams, whether at work or in personal relationships. Having strong social skills allows us to build trust and collaborate effectively. Practicing active listening and being mindful of our body language can go a long way in improving our social interactions. 5. Motivation. Emotionally intelligent people are driven by more than just external rewards. They are motivated by their inner passion and values. Setting personal goals, maintaining a positive outlook, and staying resilient even in tough times are all signs of emotional intelligence. Motivation helps us stay committed to self-improvement and personal growth. Why is emotional intelligence important? Research shows that people with high emotional intelligence tend to have better mental health, stronger relationships, and greater success in their careers. In fact, many top employers today consider EQ just as important as technical skills when hiring and promoting employees. How can we start improving our emotional intelligence today? 6. Pay attention to your emotions and recognize patterns. Practice self-care to stay emotionally balanced. Pay attention to your emotions and recognize patterns means to consciously observe how you feel in different situations and identify recurring emotional responses. It involves being mindful of your emotions, such as happiness, anger, or anxiety, and noticing if certain events, people, or circumstances consistently trigger specific feelings. For example, if you often feel stressed before speaking in public or get irritated in crowded places, recognizing these patterns can help you understand yourself better and take steps to manage your emotions more effectively. 7. Surround yourself with emotionally intelligent people who learn a lot from those around you. Spend time with individuals who demonstrate emotional intelligence. People who remain calm under pressure, communicate well, and show empathy. Observing their behavior can inspire you to develop similar qualities. Manage stress. Effective stress can cloud our judgment and lead to emotional outbursts. Engage in stress relief activities such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies that bring you joy. A calm mind helps you regulate emotions more effectively. Asterisk 9. Stay open to learning. Emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey. Be open to learning new skills, understanding different perspectives, and constantly improving your emotional awareness. Asterisk 10. Manage negative self-talk. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and self-compassion. The way you talk to yourself influences your emotions and actions. 6. Pay attention to your emotions and recognize patterns means to consciously observe how you feel in different situations and identify recurring emotional responses. It involves being mindful of your emotions, such as happiness, anger, or anxiety, and noticing if certain events, people, or circumstances consistently trigger specific feelings. For example, if you often feel stressed before speaking in public or get irritated in crowded places, recognizing these patterns can help you understand yourself better and take steps to manage your emotions more effectively. By doing this, you can develop greater self-awareness and emotional control, allowing you to respond more thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Asterisk 7. Seek feedback from others to understand how you are perceived means asking people you trust, such as friends, family, or colleagues, for their honest opinions about your behavior, communication style, and emotional responses. Often, the way we see ourselves is different from how others see us. By getting feedback, we can gain valuable insights into our strengths and areas for improvement. For example, you might think you're a good listener, but others may feel you interrupt too often. Constructive feedback helps you become more aware of how your actions and emotions affect those around you. By being open to feedback and willing to make adjustments, you can improve your emotional intelligence, build stronger relationships, and develop a more accurate self-image. Asterisk 8. Stay open to learning in the context of emotional intelligence means recognizing that developing emotional skills is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and growth. Emotional intelligence is not something you achieve once and forget about. Rather, it's a lifelong journey of self-improvement. This involves learning new emotional skills as life situations change. New emotional challenges rise. Being open to learning helps you develop new coping strategies, better communication techniques, and ways to manage emotions more effectively. For example, learning how to handle workplace stress or how to support a friend going through a tough time. Understanding different perspectives. Emotional intelligence grows when you actively try to see the world from other people's points of view. This helps in developing empathy, reducing conflicts, and improving relationships. Being open to diverse opinions allows you to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting emotionally. Seeking feedback and growth. Staying open to constructive criticism and using it as an opportunity to improve emotional responses. For instance, if someone suggests you need to work on your patience, take it as a chance to develop self-regulation skills. Adapting to change. Life constantly evolves, and being emotionally intelligent means adjusting to new situations with flexibility and a growth mindset, whether it's handling a new job, a major life transition, or different social dynamics. Staying open to learning helps you navigate these changes effectively. Asterisk 9. Manage negative self-talk means being aware of the thoughts and inner dialogue you have about yourself and consciously shifting them from negative to positive. The way we think and talk to ourselves has a powerful impact on our emotions, confidence, and actions. Breaking it down, paying attention to your inner dialogue. We all have an internal voice that constantly comments on our experiences and abilities. Negative self-talk can sound like, "I'm not good enough, I always mess things up, I'll never succeed." The first step to managing this is recognizing when you're being overly critical or negative about yourself, replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Once you identify negative thoughts, replace them with encouraging and constructive statements. For example, instead of "I can't do this," say "I'll give it my best shot." Instead of "I always fail," Say, I am learning and improving. Positive affirmations help reframe your mindset and build confidence over time. Practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Instead of harsh self-criticism, acknowledge that mistakes and setbacks are a normal part of growth. For example, rather than saying, I'm a failure, say, I made a mistake, but I can learn from it. Influence on emotions and actions. Negative self-talk can lead to anxiety, low self-esteem, and a lack of motivation. On the other hand, positive and encouraging self-talk can boost confidence, reduce stress, and improve decision-making. When you believe in yourself, you're more likely to take productive actions and achieve your goals. Asterisk. 10. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have. Regularly reflecting on what you're thankful for can improve your emotional well-being and help you stay positive in tough situations. Asterisk. Certainly. Let's dive deeper into how practicing gratitude daily can shift your mindset and improve your emotional well-being. Rewiring your brain for positivity. When we focus on what we lack or what's wrong in our lives, our brains tend to become wired to look for problems or threats. However, practicing gratitude daily helps to rewire our brain to focus on what's going well. Over time, this positive focus can become a natural, automatic habit. Studies have shown that people who practice gratitude regularly experience a more positive outlook, as their brains start to notice and appreciate the good things rather than dwell on the negative. Building resilience during difficult times. Life inevitably involves challenges, whether it's personal struggles, work issues, or unexpected setbacks. In tough situations, gratitude can act as an emotional anchor. By consistently reminding yourself of what you have, whether it's supportive relationships, your health, or even small pleasures like a cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset, you gain emotional strength to face adversity. For example, if you're dealing with a stressful project at work, practicing gratitude for your skills or a supportive team can help you stay motivated and calm. Improving mental health. Practicing gratitude has been linked to numerous mental health benefits. People who regularly express gratitude tend to have lower levels of depression, anxiety, and stress by focusing on what you have rather than what's missing. Gratitude reduces feelings of lack or comparison, both of which can contribute to negative emotions. Gratitude also fosters a sense of self-worth and hope, making it easier to stay positive during challenges. Strengthening relationships. Gratitude not only benefits your emotional health, but also enhances your relationships. When you regularly express thanks, whether verbally or through small acts of kindness, it helps build stronger bonds with others. Acknowledging and appreciating the efforts of friends, family, or coworkers can foster a more positive and supportive environment. This kind of appreciation helps to reduce conflicts, improve trust, and create a sense of shared positivity. Increasing life satisfaction. Regularly practicing gratitude boosts overall life satisfaction by making you more aware of the good things in your life. When you focus on what's going well, you're less likely to compare yourself to others and feel like you're falling short. Instead, gratitude helps you recognize that you are already successful in many areas. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal growth, by embracing these positive aspects, your life feels fuller, more rewarding, and less focused on deficiencies. Strengthening emotional regulation. Gratitude plays an important role in emotional regulation by helping you manage difficult feelings such as frustration, anger, or disappointment. When you consciously focus on gratitude, it helps shift your emotional state from negative or reactive emotions to more balanced and thoughtful ones. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed, taking a moment to reflect on things you're thankful for can help calm you down and allow you to approach the situation with a clearer, more constructive mindset. Enhancing physical health. Practicing gratitude doesn't only benefit your emotional state, it can also improve your physical health. Studies have shown that grateful people tend to sleep better, experience fewer illnesses, and engage in more healthy behaviors like regular exercise. This is likely due to the stress-reducing effect of gratitude, which can positively affect your immune system and overall well-being. How to make gratitude a daily habit. Gratitude journaling. Spend a few minutes each day writing down 3 to 5 things you are grateful for. These could be big things like a job promotion, or small moments like enjoying a nice meal with a friend. Gratitude reminders. Set a daily reminder or keep a gratitude prompt in your phone to help you stay mindful of the positive aspects of your life. Express gratitude to others. Tell people you appreciate them regularly. Whether it's a family member, friend, or coworker, this reinforces your focus on positive relationships. Visual cues. Place visual reminders around you like photos, quotes, or symbols of things you're grateful for to help you stay focused on what you value. And conclusion. Developing emotional intelligence is key to unlocking personal and professional success. By practicing self-awareness, you can understand and manage your emotions, which allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Empathy helps you connect with others, fostering stronger relationships and better collaboration, while emotional regulation gives you the resilience to navigate challenges with composure. Gratitude, positive self-talk, and staying open to learning further strengthen your emotional well-being, enabling you to maintain a positive outlook even in tough situations. Ultimately, emotional intelligence enhances every aspect of life, from relationships and career growth to personal happiness and stress management. By consistently honing these emotional skills, you not only become more attuned to yourself, but also more capable of building meaningful connections and achieving long-term success. Emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey, and every step you take toward enhancing it will empower you to lead a more fulfilling and successful life.